And
Senator
I also
Alan.
understand. I also recognize that you will say that you will be our number 14, but until the time that we vote, any member, we have to respect their decision and always ascribe good faith.
Give me the number of one senator who promised me number 14 siya. He called that senator. Sinabi niya, na ako madulas ko. He told that senator, I will fight for you, I will campaign for you, do not be afraid, etc. Then he called me. Sabi niya, Lan, I talked to Senator Blanc and I don't think he will, kasi I told him, he promised me if you appear, he will appear. So sabi niya, I asked him questions, I don't think he will go. Hindi pupunta Lan. Sabi niya, hindi na rin ako pupunta.
Yun, hindi delikado.
Sabi ko, sir, pang-14 siya, pang-13 ka.
Napakadelikado pala yung pagpunta ni Senator Bato. Alam nyo yun?
At that moment, I felt the sincerity na ang isang anak ng Diyos ay magtatanong sa Diyos, what should I do? No?
Ito pala mga kabunots, mga kababayan, yung mga pangyayaring nauna pa, very pressure, matinding pressure ang pinagdaanan bago mabuo itong Magic 30 na ito. Kung wala pala si Senator Bato, talagang hindi mapapalitan yung liderato at hindi mabubuo yung 13. So ibig sabihin, napaka-importante yung presence si Senator Bato. Kaya yung mga iba sinasabing bayani para sa'yo, ano ang tingin mo sa kanya? Yung iba sinasabing pugante. Ituloy natin. Ito yung buong pangyayari. Panoorin natin.
But then my initial statement was that you harmonize the rules, and if you harmonize it with pragmatically with what's happening, then we should never have a complete vacancy. Okay. Having said that, it is with the Committee on Rules, but I don't think Senator Villanueva scheduled it for hearing until we have the permanent members, just to be sure. And we hope to start doing that this afternoon.
We will accept that for now, Mr.
Yes.
President.
Thank you, Minority Leader.
We make note of the manifestation.
And I will note and recognize not only your observations today, but the observation of Senator Pangilinan. And if we need to clarify later on, it'll be a good opportunity for us to look at the rules. Even the 1392 present setup, unless we are overtaken by events.
1392.
Majority Leader?
Ayun, para maging klaro. Para maging klaro yung 1392 kasi may dalawang abstain. Ngayon, magkaalaman kung sino yung pang 14 sana. Yun.
Correction, Mr. President, 1311.
Yeah, well, it hasn't been corrected because
1311 na, no? 1311.
Senator Subiri and Senator JV said that they are independent, but same with Senator Pia and I, we started out independent, and then Senator Subiri asked us if for the purposes of we can join the majority. So it's their choice if they remain minority,
Tama.
or they join the majority, or if you can get 2 more members, then you will be the new majority.
Yes, Mr. President. Mr. President, may I?
Of course. Former Senate President.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. I would like to be associated with the minority bloc, Mr. President, if I may. Binatigos nga ako nila, sabi nila na ako ay nag-fence sitting at nag-abstain. Nag-abstain lang ako para have a free hand to vote on which issue that I think is important for the Filipino people. But when it comes to the organization, I would like to associate myself with the minority, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Subiri.
Yung isa pa, sino?
So,
siya kaya na to? Baka siya to.
Senator Ejercito would also like to manifest.
Yes, first of all, Mr. President, I'd like to thank Mr. President for the trust and honor that I was offered to become the majority leader. But as I have mentioned to you personally, that as of this time, I would rather maintain my independence. and with what is happening all over, I think I'll be able to perform my task very well and my pet programs very well as an independent. But again, nonetheless, Mr. President, I would like to thank you for the trust and confidence.
Thank you.
Being majority leader is a very, of course, it's one of the most powerful, we would say, position in the Senate. But I guess I have at this point I would like to maintain my
Buti ang bait talaga ni
And
Senator
I also
Alan.
understand. I also recognize that you will say that you will be our number 14, but until the time that we vote, any member, we have to respect their decision and always ascribe good faith.
Yun.
So we will continue to be good friends despite the political divisions or the nomenclature of who is in the majority or the minority. So for the purposes of today to the future, unless a change is made, will you be an independent or will you be with the minority?
Yes, for now, Mr. President, I'll be with the minority. But again, I'd like to thank you for that and for the respect. And we will all still be friends, no matter what. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Senator Harris.
Yan po mga kabunits, mga kababayan. So napansin nyo dito na reveal kung sino yung pang 14 sana. Siya pala si Senator JB Ejercito. So kahit ito yung tinutukoy niya, yung mga previous na nag-offer para maging 14, pero dito bumaliktad siya, nag-stay siya. So alam nyo po kung sino na yung mga senator na nasa Magic 13. So ito lang po yung pananaw ko dito. Talagang napaka parang ang dating is parang naging hero para sa iba si Senator Bato, kasi siya lang yung tanging lumantad doon. Very risky yung kanyang pag-appear doon para lang makakuha ng 13 votes para mapalitan yung liderato ng Senate, ng Senado. Ngayon, para naman sa bagong pagbabago, sinasabi kong ito isang ang pangyayaring ito ay historical at hindi na bago yung ganitong papalit-palit ng liderato katulad ng mga nakaraan, no? So ngayon, gawin nila yung trabaho nila para sa bagong pagbabago. And kung ito ang makakatulong, then why not? So tingnan natin yung mga pangako nila, tingnan natin kung ano yung pagbabago nung dati na naka-former, di ba, si Senator Tito Soto. Tignan natin kung may pagbabago sa ngayon, na ngayon ay talagang grabe ang crisis. Sinabi nga ni Senator Alan, lalo na doon sa mga crisis, naghihirap yung taong bayan, yung mga bilihin, pagtaas ng mga oil and crude and gasoline. So tingnan natin, subaybayan po natin sila, no? Tayo ay para sa tama lamang. Pag tama, suportahan natin. Pag mali, punahin po natin. May karapatan po ang bawat Pilipino. Kung gusto niyo yung mga ganitong klase ng content, reaction, highlight sa mga nangyayari sa ating lipunan, din consider subscribe, like, and share din po para makakuha tayo ng mga ibang opinion at ma-share din natin yung pangyayari, ma-educate din yung ating mga kababayan. Maraming salamat muli. Don't forget to put your comment, ano yung pananaw nyo dito sa Magic 13, yung pagbabago ng liderato. So God bless you. See you sa sunod na upload natin.